You cannot change your future. You can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. In this world, there is only this little difference. Only this little difference between someone who does something and someone who don't know how to do something. Because of he doesn't let his thought dominate him. What he thinks is right. He acts on this. He doesn't keep thinking what will relatives say, what will family say, what will those friends say, and what will those people say. He lives in now and keep taking action. If this happens, then this will happen. If this happens, then that will happen. First, they will laugh at me. First, they will ignore me. First, they will applaud me. Same thing happens. Every new idea is rewarded as a track until idea succeed. If you ever feel like doing something in life, then do it. Don't postpone it for tomorrow. You are doing a job, but you enjoy doing business, then do it. Start something. Don't keep thinking that tomorrow, this time will come when everything will be fine. Then I will do. Hey, start. Do it today. Do it right now. Whenever something comes to your mind, then do it. Do not postpone it for tomorrow. That I will do tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 1 week, after a month. No. Come on. Go on. I want to do something. Tell yourself. I will not waste time at all. I will not waste even a minute. I will keep working on myself as long I am alive. I want to be useful to someone. No matter how I have to be useful. I want to be an inspiration to the world. I did not come and go just like that. I am not here just to eat and drink. I am not here just to live the life of a pig. What is a pig doing here? Eating, drinking and coming out. No, I am not a pig. I want to do something. If you want to do something, then you have to tell yourself, I want to do something. I want to do something. So let the fire burn inside you. The fight you have in this is not with anyone. It is with yourself, with your bad habits. The beginning will be formed within you. But if you have desire to do something, then please do it. No matter what problem comes. If it is right, then do it. That if you want to become a doctor, a businessman, a YouTuber, an Instagram influencer, you are living in an information yug. The time has gone where to become a hero. One would have to catch the train of Mumbai and lick the feet of directors. The time has over. If you have talent within you, so you can go today and show your talent to the world. If sun has strength, then clouds would not be able to stop it for long. The shine will definitely come. If someone has strength, so he will be visible to someone's eyes. So for that, you all have, first of all, you have to say, I am not an average man. I am unique and special. Our action will be determined by the word we use. So friends, think big. Thank you.